Today we start at the end. While Anthony was working on Amneris in the Newland, I went to explore. Today, Land's End. Not somewhere to sail, so I took the somewhere 33 miles, so it is at the horizon. Maybe. Where's Shark Fin Rock? Strange that it doesn't have any kind of warning mark, but maybe that's just me thinking like a sailor. It looks extraordinary. It's an amazing place. Is this actually the last part of England? Not Cornwall. According to Cornish legend, the lost Arthurian land of Lyonesse lies beneath the sea here, a kind of Cornish Atlantis. The story goes that you can see the church's towers in good weather. Some sailors say they hear the bells. By the Polish seaside, there can be forests almost to the shore. Here, there are no trees at all, but this is still an area of national beauty. Toward the Atlantic, beautiful and deadly. In this area alone, there are at least 140 wrecks. Tourists love to pause by the sign. It shows the way to John O'Groats, up in Scotland, and the furthest point on the British mainland from Land's End. I'm looking for the end of land, like end. the end of England and the end of this episode. Time to get the bus home. Join us next Wednesday for more from Say Ho. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you!